Hello everyone, this is Ren, owner and designer at Blessing by Design. I'm here today to show you how to navigate through our 2019-2020 academic digital planners. Today I will be using the highlighter planner, and I will be on my 2017 10.5-inch iPad Pro with my Apple Pencil. Today we will be using GoodNotes 4, and I will also be making videos for Notability and NoteShelf 2. Other apps that I recommend you use for our planners for the best experience. When navigating through our planners with GoodNotes 4, you need to make sure that this little icon right here is selected. This keeps you from drawing or highlighting instead of trying to tap the links. So as you can see, just on the front page here is all the different tabs along the sides here. And these tabs are always here. They're linked, they're always on all the pages, and you can get to anywhere that you need to be from these tabs. So first of all, this tab right here, this little pink one, takes you back to this front page, always. Then this next tab here is the year tab, and it basically takes you to a table of contents page where you are able to go directly to a month overview by tapping the month name, or can take you to a specific week in that month. Basically, this year tab is a really big table of contents of the entire year portion of the planner. But that's not all that's in this planner. There are also templates, and how you navigate and find the template that you need. You go to the Extras tab here, and as you can see, all these pre-designed pages, pre-designed templates are here in categories and described and have names here so that you can choose which template you want to use to plan. Also, along the side here, we have custom templates, which I will show you in a later video how you can create custom templates in your planner. Along the bottom here is our Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube channel, and our blog. And all of our logos have a link to our website, as well as Etsy shop. So, up here you will see these 6 tabs. These are 6 unmarked and linked tabs. You can put whatever you want inside of these tabs. They're completely customizable. You can put whatever you want in there. You can put notes, you can put daily layouts, you can put thankful things templates, you can put budget planning, whatever you want. Also, you don't have to always use the buttons. You can always just swipe through it like you would through a book on Kindle, and just swipe through all of these. And also, if you want, when you make a tab like this, you can actually label it. But anyways, you can swipe through these pages just like a Kindle book. So onto these monthly tabs on the side here. Now, as I said before, you can get to the monthly layouts from the year, but the monthly tabs are different. They have a tab page, much like these up here, with the name of the month on it. And this makes sure that you keep all the stuff for July in between these 2 tabs, in between July and August. This allows you to add as many templates as you want inside the monthly tabs. To get to the monthly layout, like I did from the year, you just swipe, and there's the July monthly layout. Now, you can access any week you want from the monthly layout. Like, say, the last week in July, you just tap on one of these little squares with the date in it, and it will take you to that week. If you want to go back to the monthly overview, you just re-tap the name of the month, and you're back to the monthly layout. And as I said before, if you would rather just swipe through this, that's perfectly fine. And as you can see, you can access whatever month you want just by tapping on the tab and then swiping and finding the week you need to plan. Also, as well, you can access these same pages from the year tab as I showed before, where you can access the monthly layout and any week that you want. So what's next is this little question mark right here. I bet you're wondering what the little question mark is. Well, this is the help section of our planners. And what it is it shows you how to use this planner. And inside of this help section, we include diagrams of how we recommend to use our templates. So like, for example, if I wanted to know how to use our monthly layout, you just tap it and it comes up with a monthly layout that shows you, that has little tips in different areas that shows you how we recommend to use these templates. Also with a brief overview of the template itself. These diagrams are interactive as well. As you can see here, it says that by tapping 4 takes you to week 1 through 7. Try it. So if you tap on 4 right here, I'm going to tap on 4, it takes me to week 1 through 7, like it said in the little tip box. And up again here, it shows that if I tap March, it will take me back to the month. Also, as in with the entire planner, you can just swipe through these help diagrams. We demonstrate different ways of using the planner, different ways of taking advantage of the many templates that we have in our planners. Also, some of these tip boxes have links, like for example, this where it says help to refer to our YouTube channel, which is where you are now, hopefully. Then all you have to do is you have to tap on that and it will take you to our YouTube channel. And there you can find a video, in this case, of how to have a color coding system, which I will do in a later video. So also up here you will see the extras tab is also a link to the extras tab itself, but you can always access the question mark on any page in the planner. And as it says up here, this is also a link to our YouTube channel, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, and our blog. So that's the help diagrams, and you get to choose whatever help diagram you want, and you can swipe through them, and you can decide for yourself how to use these templates. It's completely up to you. This is just the way that we recommend you use them. There are also many different ways to use different, not all of them for planning purposes. Some of it can be for scrapbooking, like as in the plain paper one, which is in the extras tab here. And they're kind of like a loose leaf section where you can use for notes or for pictures in the case of the plain paper. But that is all in the help section. So anyways, going back to the help page, you will see these instructional pages on how to use your planner. Now, I also have videos on this as well, but we just decided to leave these in the planner to help you learn how to import your planners into your iPad through AirDrop. And also, again, down here is a link to our YouTube channel. Then if you go back to the Help tab, it's also how to add pages in the different PDF annotation apps. So first of all, here we have GoodNotes, which this is actually GoodNotes 4, but it's the same for GoodNotes 5. And again, down here is a link to our YouTube channel. And down here, you will also find links to NoteShelf 2 and Notability. So that's pretty much it of our 2019-2020 academic digital planners. I hope this has been helpful and has eased the fears you may have had of navigating through our planners. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.